Welcome back to Goodfellas Garage, ladies and gentlemen, and this is part 872 of a two-part series about our 2002 Crown Victoria LX Sport. And today I got the trim pieces back, so let me show you. I actually found a body shop 5 minutes away from my house that did a fantastic job. They painted all these pieces. They matched the paint beautifully. I just gave them a paint coat. That's it. The car wasn't even there, so looks pretty good. I have to remove all this crap, all this glue, all this junk. So I put a little tape line. So that's kind of like a guideline for me. And let's get to it. Alrighty, so I cleaned up as much as I could. What happened here is this old tape is basically, it's not tape anymore, it's a solid object, so this wheel could not remove it, so I had to scrape it with a blade. And no, I didn't scratch anything, but there's some staining here left. I can't get this off, and it's gonna take forever if I'm gonna spend all this time. It doesn't really matter, nobody's gonna see this anyway. But it's nice, flat, and clean. So let's apply the new trim. I already did the tape. I already have the tape on the opposite side. So this is gonna involve some math. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this side is all done. Let me show you what it looks like. This doesn't look right. Let's try it again. What a difference a nice, beautiful new trim makes. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Not bad for a complete idiot. I managed to get it on straight. And I have to, wow, look at that. I have to give props to the body shop. New England Auto Works in Boca Raton, Florida. Father and son operation. Look at the paint match. Absolutely phenomenal. And here's the kicker. All I did is I just gave him the trim coat. The car wasn't there. I just gave him the trim, and I gave him the paint code, and it's like, go. And look, absolutely beautiful, 100% match. I love it. Now, the tough part is I have to do the other side, so that's another 2 hours. So let's go to the passenger side. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. There's your side trim. It is absolutely perfect. It's straight as an arrow, and the color match is ridiculous. I mean, I don't know how these guys did it. And silver is probably one of the most difficult colors to paint, aside from like candy paints and stuff like that. But silver is very difficult to paint, very difficult to match. And these guys did it without even having the car there. So really, really nice job. And this is, like I said, as straight as it could possibly be. If you look at Ford official brochures, Ford literature, the trim in the Ford pictures is like all misaligned. So the workers at the factory were just slapping it on right and left. And this is, you know, nice and straight. So it looks really good. It's amazing what a simple molding can do to the look of the car. Completely transformed the look, you know, along with the headlights. I mean, it just, it's a completely new car. I mean, it's amazing. Well, I'm gonna take a week vacation after this job, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.